Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Liza Aulia Jahani. Di kesempatan kali ini saya akan mereview dua jurnal. The first journal, the title is Use of Technology in English Language Learning, Challenge and Benefit, and the authors by Nadia Mayangsari and Mukhlas Abrar. And background of the research. The study explored the challenge and benefit of using technology in English language learning through qualitative research method. Challenges identified include limited access to technology, lack of digital literacy, and difficulties in integrating technology into teaching practice. On the other hand, benefits of technology in language learning include increased motivation, access to authentic research, personalized learning experience, and interactive learning opportunities. The study emphasizes the importance of addressing issues of accessibility and equity to optimize the use of technology in language learning. Objective or aims of the research. The aim of the research is to comprehensively explore the challenge and benefits associated with the use of technology in English language learning from various perspectives, aiming to provide fresh insight and practical recommendation for optimist technology integration in diverse educational contexts. Literature review. Furthermore, the review delves into the potential benefit of utilizing digital technology, including digital games, mobile application, and online platform to enhance English language learning, will certain as such as pronunciation training and chat platforms, while certain are such as pronunciation training and chat platform have shown promising results. The overall effectiveness of technology and language learning remains a topic of ongoing investigation. The review stressed the importance of approaching the integration of technology and language education with conscious optimism and advocacy of a joint blend of technology with established pedagogical practice to optimize English language learning outcomes. Methodology. The first, research design. The research design employed in the study on the challenge and benefit of technology in English language learning was a qualitative approach utilizing a phenomenological design to understand the lived experience and perspective of language learning and instruction in technology and shared language classroom. Purposive sampling was used to include a diverse range of perspectives with a total of 15 English language learning and 10 instructors. Participating in in-depth semi-structured interview and classroom observation to gather rich data on the experience with technology and language learning. Thematic analysis was then conducted on the qualitative data to identify recurring themes and patterns related to the challenge and benefit of technology integration in language learning. The second, data collection method. The data collection method includes in the study on the challenge and benefit of technology and English language learning, involved in-depth semi-structured interviews with both English language learning and instructor, as well as classroom observation to gain insight into the implementation and use of technology in language classroom. The interviews were audio recorded and transcribed verbatim for analysis, allowing for the chapter approach, detailed description of participant experience, challenge, and perceived benefit of technology integration in language learning. Third, data analysis method. The data analysis method employed in the study on the challenge and benefit of technology in English language learning was thematic analysis. The research semantical coded, organized, and identified recurring themes and patterns from the qualitative data collected through interview and observation. This educative approach allowed from the emergence of themes grounded in the participant perspective and experience, enabling a nuanced exploration of the challenge and benefit associated with the technology integration in language learning. The findings from the thematic analysis were then interpreted in relation to the existing literature and theoretical frameworks in the field of technology and said language learning. Finding. The thematic analysis of the qualitative data in the study revealed a significant challenge in integrating technology into language learning, such as limited access to technology, lack of digital literacy, and difficulties aligning technology coupled with specific learning objective and instructional strategy. The next journal, the title is English Language Learning Through the Use of Digital Technology, a Literature Review. Authors by Cynthia Lady Anggraini, Abdul Mut'im, and Emma Rosiana Febrianti. Background of the research. The research discussed in the profit summaries focus on the use of digital technology and English language education. It includes an examination of various aspects such as the impact of digital games, digital literacy, web-based learning, and digital storytelling on language learning. The studies highlighted in the bibliography emphasizes the importance of integrating digital tools into language education to improve students' skill and learning experience. Objective or aims of the research. The objective of the research is to evaluate the impact of digital technology on English language learning by synthesizing findings from various studies to understand its role in enhancing language skills. Study aims to explore the potential of digital resources such as game, mobile application, and online platform in improving word skills, particularly in higher education context. Literature review. The literature review presented in the provided summaries emphasizes the significance of incorporating digital technology into English language education. Various studies have explored the use of digital tools such as game, digital literacy research, web-based learning platform, and digital storytelling to enhance language learning outcomes. These studies underscore the positive impact of integrating digital research in language education, aiming to improve students' language skill and overall learning experience. Furthermore, the review delves into the potential benefit of utilizing digital technology, including digital games, mobile application, and online platform. The English language learning will certain areas such as pronunciation training and chat platform have shown promising results. The overall effectiveness of technology in language learning remains a topic of ongoing investigation. The review stresses the importance of approaching the integration of technology in language education with caution, optimism, and a focus for a thoughtful blend of technology with established pedagogical practice to optimize English language learning outcomes. Methodology. The first, research design. The research design entailed in the study is a semantic literature review involving the comprehensive collection, assessment, and synthesis of relevant previous work to evaluate the impact of digital technology on English language learning. This methodology ensures methodical and thorough procedure of discovering and evaluating empirical data related to the subject, providing a detailed overview of the change role of digital tools, platform, and research in supporting language learning and skill development. The research method is inspired by sociocultural, cognitive, and constructivist theories, focusing on the complex interaction between technology and language acquisition. Data collection method. The data collection method until in the research is a semantic literature review involving the comprehensive collection, segment, and synthesis of relevant previous work to evaluate the impact of digital technology on English language learning. Data analysis method. It primarily focuses on the systematic literature review methodology for evaluating the impact of digital technology on English language learning. The instruments. The instruments used in the study on the challenge and benefit of technology in English language learning include in-depth, semi-structured interviews with English language learning and instructors, as well as classroom observation to get insight to the implementation and use of technology in language classroom. The instruments were chosen to capitalize detailed description of participant experience, challenge, and perceived benefit of technology integration in language learning. Finding. The research finding indicate that review support caution, optimism, and encouraging educators to integrate technology usually in line with pedagogical principles. The balanced approach leverages the strength of technology to create more meaningful and effective English language learning experience for all learners. Okay, and quality and similarity between the two journals. Quality research topic about journal discuss the use of digital technology in English language learning. Objective but aim to explore the benefit and challenge of using technology in English language learning. Methodology but use qualitative research method, although the specific approach differ on use phenomenology and the others as semantic literature review. Benefit of technology, but journal not the benefit of using technology such increase the student motivation, assist the authentic research, personalized learning experience, and interactive learning opportunities. Technology challenge, but study also acknowledge challenges such limited access to technology, allow digital literacy, and difficulty in integrating technology with teaching strategies. Difference, specific focus. Research by Nadia Mayangsari and Mukhlas Abrol places more emphasis on the direct experience and perspective of students and teachers in using technology in the classroom. Research by Cynthia Lady Anggraini and Abdul Mut'im and Emma Rossana Febrianti focus more on literature review that includes various study regarding the use of digital technology in English language learning. Methodology and approach. Nadia Mayangsari and Mukhlas Abrol research use a phenomenological approach with in-depth interview and classroom observation. Cynthia Lady Anggraini, Abdul Mut'im, and Emma Rossana Febrianti's research use a semantic literature review method. Data collection. Research by Nadia Mayangsari and Mukhlas Abrol collected data through in-depth interview and classroom observation. Research by Cynthia Lady Anggraini and Abdul Mut'im and Emma Rossana Febrianti collected data from exciting literature study. Instrument. Nadia Mayangsari and Mukhlas Abrol research use interview and observation as data collection instruments. Cynthia Lady Anggraini, Abdul Mut'im, and Emma Rossana Febrianti research did not explicitly mention the use of other instruments apart from a literature review. Thus, although the two journals are similar in research goal and topic, they differ in methodological approaches, specific focus, and data collection. Okay, maybe that's all. I'm sorry if I have mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.